This video will teach you how to recover or retrieve your username and password. If you have problem with your username and password can't register as guest, please follow this instruction. Copy link that I sent to you and open it at web browser. Enter your email address that is associated with your account. And then click validate. Click forgot your password. Then OK. Instructions on how to change your password will be sent to you via email. Check your email and follow the instructions. You will receive 2 emails from Teletech. First one is your username and the second one is your access code. Please take note your username and then the access code. To reset your password, please click here. Click I accept. Enter your username that was sent to you via email. And then the access code. Click login. You can also save your password. Please make sure that you correctly enter your username or the access code. Access code is valid for 5 to 10 minutes only. Check the spaces, spelling, and anything. Otherwise, you will have this error. Click login. Re-enter the access code and set your new password. Password must be combination of letters and numbers. Retype or confirm your new password and click OK. And you are successfully changed your password. I will try to log in my username and the new password that I created. Make sure you remember the password and the username. Click login. This time, you can now check your application, your pending application, or submit a new application. To check your pending application, click my job page. Click on view email messages. So I am required to take my assessments. Just click required assessments. And that's it.